Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to easily replace the windshield wipers in your Kia EV6 with these Bosch Icon wiper blades, which are a solid upgrade over the stock wiper blades. I'll show you how to get the old ones off and the new ones on, so let's go! So when you go to replace the wiper blades in the Kia EV6, the first thing you'll notice is the hood blocks the wiper blades from being lifted up to be replaced. You have to put the vehicle into wiper service mode first. So to do that, we'll get in the car, and we'll start it. Then we'll turn it right back off. Then right after you turn it off, you just hold up on the wiper stalk, and the wiper blades move up the windshield and then stop. Now they can be easily lifted off the windshield and replaced. It's a normal wiper blade, so there's a little tab back here that we'll press on, which releases the blade. Let me show you. So underneath of the wiper blade, where it meets the wiper arm, here's a little tab. If you push it towards the wiper arm, it releases the wiper blade itself, and this allows you to slide the arm through the blade and then take it off. It's very easy. Comparing the factory wiper blades to the Bosch Icon blades, you can see the new ones are much thicker and a nice sleek design. They also curve more, allowing them to form to the windshield better, and they're also more aerodynamic and supposedly made of a strong material too. I've used this kind of wiper blade in many vehicles and been very happy with them. They also have great reviews too. Now, to install the new wiper blade, we'll open up this cover here. Then we'll slide it over the wiper arm, and then slide it into place until it snaps in, and then we'll close that cover. And that's it. The driver's side is done. Now let's do the passenger side. So it's basically the same process. We'll push on the tab, release the old wiper blade, install the new wiper blade, close the cover, and we're good to go. Now to disable the wiper service mode, we'll just start the car, and then we'll tap the wiper stalk, and there we go. Testing these new wipers, they're working great, no streaks, which is good. Looking at them on the outside, again, they're nice and sleek looking. Here you can see them next to the factory wiper blades. They're definitely thicker, and they're designed to be more aerodynamic, but also use the wind to help keep them firmly against the windshield. So I'm happy with them. I'll post a link in the description for you guys to the wiper blades I got off Amazon. It's a 2-pack, and it's a pretty good deal, coming in at $52 for both. Let me know if you have any questions, though, on the installation or the wiper blades themselves. And if you liked the video, please hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.